Hi fams, and welcome back to Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the administrative email of your WordPress website without having to confirm on the other side of the email that you switched to. Now, over on settings and go to general, and on the next page, right under administration email address, you would see your current administrative email address. Now if you go ahead and just impute your email right here and click on enter, you can see this note that says this address is used for admin purposes, and if you change this, an email will be sent to your new address to confirm it. So as soon as we imputed the new email, you can see that there is a pending change of the admin email to admin@gmail.com. So what we want to do is to change this email without having to confirm on the new email. So to proceed, I'll just say cancel this. Alright, so there are actually two ways to do this. The first one is doing it from the cPanel, from the PHP MyAdmin on the cPanel, and there is a simpler way, which is doing it from your WordPress admin. And for that, we are going to be accessing a secret options page on our WordPress website, and what you need to do is to just rub off this general so that you have options.php page at the end right there. Options.php page, that's our WordPress website /wp-admin/options.php. So you want to click on the enter to visit the secret page. Alright, so on the page, so if you don't know what you are up to with this options page, it's important that you don't mess up with this data. So we just proceed to make the changes that we need to make, and we just be off this page. And now if you look down to find admin_email, you can as well use Ctrl+F to do that. Just search for admin_email, and that should take you to this section. So from here you can see that your current email address is still the old email address, and what you need to do now is just to key in the new email address that you'd want to use as your administrative email. And as soon as you do that, you can just scroll down to the end of that page and click on save changes. Alright, so if we go back over on settings and click on general, and on the administration email address, you can see that our email address has now been switched. So that's how to go about that. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to the channel.